How to delete all messages on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down to the end and tap on Apps. You can view all your phone apps over here. Now, search for or scroll down to find Messages and tap on it. You are now in the Messages settings page. Here, scroll down to the Message History section and tap on Keep Messages. From here, you can choose for how long you want to keep messages on your phone. Select 30 days as shown. Then, tap on Delete. This will permanently delete messages older than 30 days. Alternatively, go back and open up the Messages app. Go to the top left corner and tap on Edit, and then tap on Select Messages. You can now select all the messages that you want to delete from here and then tap on Delete below. Tap on Delete again to confirm. Following these steps, you can easily delete all messages on iPhone.